What lies ahead for Oklahoma? Death row. Inmate Brenda Andrew is uncertain tonight after the United States Supreme Court issued a rare ruling in her favor. Her attorneys argue she was denied a fair trial because prosecutors fixated on her personal life. The 10th Circuit Court of Appeals will now decide the next step, and that could include a new trial. The Supreme Court vacated a 2023 federal appeals court decision that had upheld Andrew's 2004 murder conviction in a 2-1 ruling. At the time, former District Attorney Wes Lane, who handled the case, told us not surprising. Evidence was overwhelming. Evidence was overwhelming at the preliminary hearing stage. Andrew, a former Sunday school teacher, was found guilty of killing her estranged husband. She and her accomplice, James Pavatt, have spent more than 2 decades on death row. Her attorneys say the trial was unfair, claiming prosecutors shamed her by focusing on her personal life and affairs. In a 29-page opinion, Supreme Court justices agreed, writing, quote, "The prosecution elicited testimony about Andrew partners reaching back 2 decades about the outfit she wore to dinner, ordering grocery runs about the underwear she packed for vacation, and about how often she had in her car." They also noted witnesses were called to testify about Andrew's provocative clothing and whether a good mother would dress or act the way Andrew did. Quote, "In its closing statement, the prosecution again relied on these themes, including displaying Andrew's thong underwear to the jury." The 10th Circuit will review the ruling and determine what happens next. A jury of one's Oklahoma's News. 4. After the decision, one of Andrew's attorneys called the ruling, quote, "historic," and said it could reshape future proceedings. This is Fatal Verdict. Thank you for watching, and remember, these are not just stories. These are real people, real victims, and real consequences. Until next time, keep living your best life.